Hello there guys, welcome back to the e-bike repairs YouTube channel. My name's Dash and I take apart and fix super fun, exciting stuff like electric bike batteries, motors, scooter parts, stuff like that. What I've got in today is this is a TailG battery pack, 48 volt 8 amp hour. It feels quite big for 8 amp hour, but if it's 13S 4P for example, that might explain it. And I think that it's padding that runs along both of these things to change it from a brick to what looks like a big brick. So we've got here our charge and discharge port, so it must be a common port BMS. We've got a fuse under here which is 30 amp, and basically it's not working like it should. So guy wants to know if he can get it fixed, working again. So I think I'm going to have to do some form of cutting it open. I'm not exactly sure where to start, but I guess here this way. That's the answer to that question. It's as good as any. There's a fibre board underneath all this anyway, so don't really have to worry too much about slicing into batteries too badly. Rest of that cut through. Okay, I see cells. There we go, right, that's out of there. It was this way up, so the leads were coming out of here by that, not by that. And I see a BMS, it's hiding. Where is it hiding? It's hiding up here. Ooh, no name cells, my favourite. They're not my favourite. That's what that is. Nice big block of foam and a BMS, a floaty BMS, but a BMS nonetheless. With, it could be common port charging, or it's just discharging from the charge port. I don't know. Unless you have the original manual, you don't know really. And that looks fine. We've got the TC ITR 18650 2000P-PP 2017 0912 by the looks of it. What that seems to say to me. So I'm guessing that's the date code there. Just get that out of my way. Right, I'm going to hook this up to my super handy battery testing machine. It's a battery balancer, but it also just displays the battery voltages for me in a very, very, very convenient fashion. So I'm going to short out on anything. And we are the little JST. See if I can get that plugged in easily. Come on. No, I've bent this. Bent the pins whenever I used it last. It's not good. What are they looking like? They're a bit better. There we go. It's a bit more like it. Let's try again. See what kind of voltages we're getting on our cells. We've got a dead cell group, number 10. So our lowest is 4.088 volts and our highest is 4.137 volts. And group number 10 is dead. Now, is it really dead or has the balance lead just fallen off? That's what we're going to find out. So group number 10 should be, well, I guess 3 away from the end, surely. Makes sense, wouldn't it? Get my meter on to DC volts, because that's what we want. And I will check this out. So on the pause of there to there. Go look at that. 0.22 volts I'm getting on here. Gonna mark the bad ones. On there and that one there. Then when I want to go back and check it easily, I can. Yeah, 0.2 volts is not really enough, is it? I could trace these wires back though, which will be, what are they, these two here? Yep, these two here. Some odd discoloration here, but who knows quite what that is. These two wires here. So is that just this cell group here? Is that right? Or am I crazy? Let me see. It's, no, I'm looking at the wrong end. That's why. Fool. It's these two here, I believe. Is that right? Yeah, it's these two. Right. Sharpie on them so I don't keep forgetting. They are the suspicious ones. Better. So from here to there, let's check out what this says directly at the cells. Yeah, unfortunately 0.2 volts, that's too low to recover. If I could find, this must be groups of 4 surely. Yeah, if I could find 4 of these cells, I would do something about it. Unfortunately, there's no chance that I will be able to find 4 of those cells. Therefore, this is going to be, I don't know, a resale or a write-off, I suppose. As far as nickel strip goes, I'm seeing that this is completely detached from the main negative here. It's not even held on. I did pull it a little bit when I opened it up, but you know, pulling it shouldn't pull the nickel right off, should it? Gut going on under here. Ah, yeah, that's it's not very well spot welded, that is it? Just comes straight off with my fingers. It's not meant to do that. There's one good spot weld over there. But yeah, well, it could be there's a whole lot of that going on in this pack of just dead cells and poor spot welding. I suspect it might not be that well made. I don't like to poo-poo other people's work, but it's not great, is it? It's, you know, it's a little bit to be desired, I think. Just a teeny tiny bit. Oh well, that's what's inside one of these anyway. TailG e-bike battery. It's not very good. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave a comment, like, subscribe, become a channel member, all that fun stuff. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.